Hello everyone, so we'll start with SQL 50 day SQL 50 question challenge. So in first day we'll complete these five questions. So I've already opened these five questions in five tabs. So the first question which we are trying to solve is lead code 1757 recyclable and low fat products. So this is how I'll try to solve this question. First I'll try to read the prompt, and even in your actual interviews we'll get the same type of prompts. So the table has three columns: product ID, low fats and recyclable, and the data type here is integer and enum. So before going to the prompt, let's see what is enum. So enum is predefined set of values which can be used to fill this column. So if suppose low fats has any values like Y or N, or if we want to store weekdays in a column, then it is best to use enum instead of variable character or string, because that will be a predefined. So there are multiple benefits of enum. The first is data integrity. So it prevents invalid data from being entered into column since only the specified values are allowed. And then also it is optimized for the storage efficiency, and then the readability also makes it easy. So the now let's read the prompt. Product ID is the primary key. So we all know that primary key is the unique key in the table. For now, we'll just understand that it is a unique key. Low fat is an enum. Now we know what is enum. Category of type Y and N, where Y means this product is low fat and N means it is not. Okay. And then the third column is recyclable. It is also a type of enum which has values Y and N, where Y means this product is recyclable and N means it is not. So we have to write a solution to find the IDs of the product that are both low fat and recyclable. So before writing the query for it, we have to understand that we have to write the query where both we want to find the product which are both fat and recyclable. So we have to use AND operator and not the OR. So for your reference, I have already those of for your reference I've already added the query and the insert statement for the for this table. Those of you who don't have the lead code account. So here I have written create table statement, product ID, which is primary key, and then these two are enum, and I have randomly added few values. So if you'll see in the this one, so in the right hand side, so we want the result as product ID 1 because it is both low fat and recyclable. We don't want 2 because it is not low fat and not recyclable. Then we also don't want 3 because it is only low fat and it is not recyclable. We want 5 because both are low fat and recyclable. So let's first try to write the query where the product is just low fats. So we'll just write the statement. So first we want to specify the table name from where we are going to fetch the data. For now, if I want product ID from products, and then all the condition we are going to put in the where clause. So where we'll write low fats equals to yes, right? So if I run this query, and so I'm going to get the results where the product is having low fats. So we are getting 1, 3, 5, 7 and all this. Now let's write a query where the product is recyclable. So instead of this, I'll just change it to recyclable, and I'm going to be read. So let's see. So in this one, we are going to get all the product which are having recyclable as y. Now we want to combine this both of the statements, so we'll just use one AND operator. So the product which are low fats and recyclable. So now if we run it, we find that 1, 5, 9, 13 and 15. So if I scroll up, 1, 5, 9, 13 and 15. Now let's see if this query is accepted, will be getting accepted by LeetCode or not. So if I run it, it says that test case 1 is clear. Now if I click on submit, it says that it is getting accepted by the LeetCode.